International Fellowship of Chaplains. This is Brian. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Chaplain Landon Woods. I just had a few questions for you that I hope you can answer. Recently, I've been looking into working as a hospital chaplain, and the person doing the interview asked me if I was licensed as a hospital chaplain. I had trouble answering that question. Have you heard of this happening before?
I sure have. For years, IFOC has licensed chaplains, and our chaplains have used their license to volunteer and work wherever God's called them. More and more, we're hearing from our chaplains that people have been asking for licenses that focus on a very specific kind of chaplain ministry. That's why we created the Advanced Chaplain Certification.
I've heard of the Advanced Chaplain Certification, but how does that help me with my problem?
Well, most of our chaplains know we offer an advanced credential. We've updated that program several times, including earlier this year, by consolidating several areas of the required training into a single class that our academic partner, Manna University, holds twice each semester. But not everyone is aware of the Tier 2 part of the advanced credential. That's how we can specialize in a field of chaplaincy and actually become a licensed healthcare chaplain or a first responder chaplain, for example.
Wow, I didn't realize that. How does that work?
Well, our licensed IFOC chaplains complete the advanced chaplain credential and then complete the training classes listed under the Tier 2 specialties. Now, over the next year, IFOC will be adding specific 6-hour training courses for each specialty listed in the Advanced Chaplain application. And we'll be adding specialties for every type of chaplaincy listed on our website. Right now, you can get credentialed as a licensed disaster response chaplain, a licensed community chaplain, a licensed first responder chaplain, and a licensed school chaplain. We're even almost done with the licensed church chaplain specialty.
Wow, that's awesome. But how does that help me with my hospital interview? Hospital chaplaincy isn't one of the specialties you just listed.
Well, that's because we're still recording the training classes for the healthcare specialty. In 2025, we'll be adding the licensed healthcare chaplaincy, licensed first responder chaplaincy, licensed marketplace chaplaincy, and governmental chaplaincy. Even a licensed jail and prison chaplaincy, and more. Our chaplains who want to demonstrate that they have specialized training and are uniquely equipped to serve in those different areas will be able to get licensed specifically for them. There are a lot of people who say they're chaplains, but IFOC specialty chaplains can back up their title with specific training and experience that will matter to those employers or volunteer leaders that need people they can count on to do the job right.
Wow, thanks, Brian. I can't wait to take the training and become an IFOC licensed hospital chaplain.
Then keep an eye out on our website and our newsletters. We'll be announcing each specialty as they become available.
Well, thank you. Have a great day.
You're very welcome, Chaplain Landon. Have a great day.